Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Throwbacks 50s and 60s. 1967 out of California. Strawberry Alarm Clock. Crazy name for a group. Interesting story behind that. They wanted to give a tribute to the Beatles. You know, Strawberry Fields Forever. So Strawberry was first part of the name. They were looking for a second word. While they were in the studio, they saw this broken down alarm clock. Somehow they put that together with Strawberry, and it was as simple as that. That's how they came up with the name. Anyway, the same year, 1967, they came out with this song here. Number one on the Billboard 100, number one on the Cashbox Top 100, number one in Canada too, I believe. Let's check this out. Incense and Peppermints.
Incense Peppermints, meaningless nouns. Turn on and tune in, turn your eyes around. Look at yourself, look at yourself. The anger. Look at yourself, look at yourself. The anger. Do the private cockeyed world in two. Throw your pride to one side, it's the least you can do. Mixing politics, nothing is new. My yardstick for lunatics, one point of view. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. Incense Peppermints, the color of time. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. Incense Peppermints, Incense Peppermints.
Guys, I don't know how many times I've heard this in my life. I still can't figure out what they're trying to say. Very funky, psychedelic. It's a cultural song. They ended up dubbing it Flower Power Anthem. I don't get it. I still don't get it. If you guys have any idea, let me know. I know these guys only had two songs in the top 40. And this song was used in a few different shows, movies, specifically Austin Power. I know it was in that movie, but anyway, Strawberry Alarm Clock, Incense and Peppermints. Thank you for the request. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Hype this video if you get a chance. And we'll be back with some old school, new school music reaction later. I think we have a new school. I think the little guy will be here and he'll be excited. So let's help him out. Let's watch the channel if you can later on. And I'll see you next time. Take care.